Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with a loop pedal. First, let's explore the essential components. A typical looper has at least three main functions: record, play, and overdub. You'll connect your instrument, like a guitar or microphone, into the input, and then run an output cable to your amplifier or mixing board. Understanding these connections is your first step towards creating amazing layered music. Now, let's record your very first loop. Begin with a simple, clear musical idea, perhaps a 4-beat rhythm or a short melody. Press the record button once to start, play your phrase, and then press it again to stop and immediately play back your loop. The key here is precise timing. Aim for a seamless transition from the end of your phrase back to its beginning. Practice this step until it feels natural. Once you have a solid foundational loop, it's time to add more layers using the overdub function. Press the overdub button, and your original loop will continue playing while you record a new part on top. You can add a bass line, a harmony, or even percussive sounds. Remember to keep each new layer distinct and well-timed. Building up 2 or 3 layers often creates a rich and full sound without becoming too complex. To elevate your looping, explore more advanced techniques. Many loopers offer features like undo/redo, reverse, or half-speed playback, which can dramatically transform your sound. Consider placing other effects pedals, such as reverb or delay, before your looper to apply them to individual layers. Practicing transitions between different looped sections will also make your performances more dynamic and engaging. The possibilities are truly endless, with a bit of creativity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.